Hello everyone. In this video we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of record ID tool in case of Alteryx. So this record ID tool is available in the preparation tab you can see over here. For this purpose we have to input the data with the help of input data tool. You can go in the input tab and use input data tool. The workflow canvas. Connect it with the file. This will redirect us to the data connection window. If the path is being selected, just click on the particular path of the file. So I will select the file office city service. So it will ask us to select the sheet from the file as this is consisting of only one sheet. So I will click on OK. Now I will click on Run so that the results workflow will be available on the download side. So over here it is available now. Now I will go to this particular preparation tab, drag this record ID tool and connect it with the input data. So in the configuration pane you can see that create a new column starting with 1 and the name of the column is given as record ID. So the default name for the column is given by record ID and it is being started with 1. So if I click on this particular output anchor of this particular input data, so record is present over here. So 18 records are being displayed. So each and every row will be provided with its ID. Each and every row will be provided with its ID. Now, when I click on this input anchor, so you will be finding only this particular record. So we have to create a new column which is having name record ID, which can be displayed over here, and the fields is going to be changed from 6 to 7. And click on Run. Now click on the output anchor of the record ID. Now over here we can observe that each and every row is provided with this particular ID. The by default name is for the column is given as record ID. So as there are 18 records, so 18 record ID will be created. You can see over here. So 18 record ID is being created. So I hope you have understood this video.